Okay, so these are my accommodations for the evening. Right across from burned down like homeless encampment. But whatever. The airport is like 5-minute walk right over there. No big deal. I'm just gonna lock myself in the room. 6 a.m. Man, what a night. I took an Uber to get some pizza last night. That was like a whole fiasco. Kind of fun though. I'm really exhibiting a lot of patience right now. Really trying to do that. I'm succeeding so far. I got a good attitude. It's 6 a.m. We're leaving the Arlington M, which is literally just right around the corner from the Riverside Municipal Airport. I'm gonna go get back my $20 cash deposit from the obvious owner, who I think lives here also with his family. I saw him blessing the doors last night with incense. Wasn't exactly sure what was going on there, but that seemed to be what the deal was. I think they live in this unit right here. I think that's where they live. I'm about to ring the bell, get my 20 bucks back so that I can move on with my day. Yo, it is not like Dallas, right? We don't have palm trees in Dallas, and it's like 60 degrees and feels like amazing, even though it was getting pretty steamy yesterday in the middle of the day. People are already out flying. The sun's coming up. It is very cool breeze right now. Feels amazing. Man, I'm really hoping for a good day. I am hoping for a really good day. Hope the plane starts up no problem. Hope we don't have no problems with the transponder. I hope that me and this other guy can get along. Had a 30-minute phone call with him yesterday about what was going on, what I'm trying to do, yada yada. Seemed to get along pretty well over the phone, so I'm gonna sit down and just really hammer this out. Boy, have I learned some really stupid lessons. Like, I don't know, like one of the things I learned was, should I have like really written out this whole scenario, had him sign it? Because, you know, he got to do a beef with me about what this was going to cost, and that he wanted his own hotel room, and just some things that I don't know if it's reasonable. I don't know if it's expected. We certainly didn't talk about it. The things that we did talk about, he's like, no, we didn't talk about that. So get everything in writing, I guess. There's one thing. And then plan for as many what ifs as you possibly can and try to negotiate those out too. Okay, so we just did our pre-flight. He went to go get his bag and stuff. So we're going to crank the plane up, go do a couple of laps in the pattern, make sure it still flies, and then maybe we'll be on our way back to Dallas today.
Yeah, I would say something like Riverside Tower, Cherokee 6626 Juliet at runway 27, looking for the pattern, requested the traffic pattern. Okay. Simple. Okay, yeah. And your door's locked? I have no door. Cool. Is your door locked? Yeah. No, my door's locked. Okay. Alright. Riverside Tower, 6626 Juliet, holding short of runway 27, requesting to be in the pattern. Number 26 Juliet, Riverside Tower, on the go. Make right close traffic, runway 27, clear for takeoff. Right close traffic, runway 27, clear for takeoff, 26 Juliet. Alright, cool. So we're going to be right-hand pattern. Alright, good. Okay. So we are good to go. Alright, and then we can do full mixture. Lead functional, Riverside ground, ready 27 XL. Yeah, so kind of like lights, camera, action, make sure mixture's full rich, fuel pump on, line and left. Just 3, are you in on left? Turn right now. Okay, ready? Yep. And we are right-hand pattern. Yep. Alright. Alright. And then there we go. Climb out's going to be around 85. Yeah,
25 is our best rate of climb.
There we go. Yeah, your stall horn is flickering. That's interesting. I was out of the Cherokee on Charlie Lowry. Take off 57. Nice departure, owner as well.
On Charlie Lima, the pattern is full, same Texas. Number 26 Juliet, make a left 360.
Hear that?
Yes.
Left 360, 26 Juliet. Sorry.
Left 360. Just is that like a standard rate turn?
Yeah, standard rate, exactly.
And just remain at altitude?
Yeah, exactly, 1839. Now, that doesn't put you in a really good spot, unfortunately, in terms of your safety, right? Because we're at like a traffic pattern altitude and going like 2 miles from the airport now.
Right.
So not a big fan of this, but landing spots around here, especially so I don't mind if you gain a little bit of altitude, keep some power, go up to 2,000 if you need to.
Okay.
If you need to, because he'll probably bring you back here pretty quickly. Yeah, perfectly done, nicely done.
Do we just keep doing this until they tell us?
No, it's just one 360.
Just one.
Yeah, remember, he said one, make a left 360. Oh, now if he says make two left 360s, right?
I got it. I didn't hear the one. Okay, so we're good to just continue the pattern, get back down to altitude.
Yeah, and that's because he has someone on short final right now, and he wants us to land on the same runway, right? All right, good pattern. You're about a mile from the airport. Thank you.
Yeah. This is the first time I've flown it. It's got a lot more power than what I'm used to,
right? So you're screaming along a little bit though. So what I would do is I would take some power out.
Okay, check forces, not read back correct.
Just a little bit.
5 actually line 26.
And I would hold some back pressure. I'll hold a little bit of back pressure.
Number 26 Juliet, give me another left 360.
Alright.
Another 360, 26 Juliet.
Well, these guys don't play around about their pattern. Yeah, your stall warning light's interesting. Here, my controls for just so you can tap it for me. Tap it a couple times so you can if we can say something that can move now.
Back or not working the southbound departure delay, Matthew.
You don't have a camera that's pointed at the stall horn, huh?
No. We can set one up and see what's going on.
Not a big deal. Interesting.
Yeah, that's it's gotta be a mechanical thing, right?
Yeah.
It's like too sensitive or something.
Yeah.
See, now it's off.
Could be an airflow thing, because like I'm in a left turn now, and maybe the wind is not,
and we're clearly not stalling, right? Yeah, so it feels fine.
Yeah.
We do 26 Juliet, extend downwind for departures, I'll call your base.
Alright.
Extending downward for departures, 26 Juliet.
That's one hell of a lap in the pattern. We almost got 2 laps in the pattern, pretty much.
Well, I'm glad you're with me, man. I'd be freaking out.
Would you?
Probably, just because, like, I'm in an uncontrolled area
Add a little bit of power. Just a little bit for me. Because you see how we're descending?
Yeah.
And that's fine. I told you to remove power earlier, right? Because of the fact that we were too fast. But now that we're, going away from the airport, I would add, like, yeah, there we go. That's good. Climb just a little bit. Yeah, climb just a little bit. We got a field right here as well if we need it, right? You seem like you are a decent person. Those are the 3 things I wanted to check out. So, I'm happy to do a full stop.
So you go forward to straight out departure, approval, 27, quick takeoff.
So, if you feel good with that.
26 Juliet, base start, approval, 27, quick touch move.
26 Juliet, clear for base. We are requesting full stop.
26 Juliet, roger, 27, clear land.
Clear to land, 26 Juliet. Alright, okay, we can probably start making our descent now.
Yeah. Start pulling the power back, introducing your flaps, and doing your landing checklist, right? What's your landing checklist?
Landing checklist.
Check this out. Right there. Oh, we're good about that.
Full mix, we're good. Fuel pump is on.
Alright, good. So you're high, right? So a good decision to take the power out and then pull back just a little bit for that speed. You're looking for 81 high, right? Nose down just a little bit for me. There we go. A little bit more. Nose down. Because you don't want to get too slow, right?
Yeah.
And then because if you don't have a lot of room to make that decision and you're getting close to your stall speed, that could be a bad day. I would add a little bit of power. There we go. And then get the nose down. There we go. Perfect. And then go idle. Alright, not bad. And then keep it
Turn left base over the outside.
fully gently apply brakes equally. Right. And I'll help you if needed. How did you feel? First time landing the plane? I like how smooth it was. Yeah, right? Very smooth. Cool.
Well,
That was interesting.
If you likewise feel like I'm a decent person and want
do,
to fly to Texas with me,
I feel good.
Okay, cool. Let's do it.
Okay. I am just filled up the plane. Hasan and I have talked about our flight plan, contingencies, payment schedule. We like each other. We feel comfortable. We're ready to go. We are gonna try to make it back today. Weather permitting, no mechanical issues. We don't get tired. So if everything goes well, probably be back in Dallas tonight. If not, we'll probably have to stay somewhere and finish the flight tomorrow. So stick around, it should be good. I think we should fill up. We should go full fuel over there. Okay, the weather's getting sketch, so we are in Marana County Airport right now, and we got a couple of decisions. We're gonna go through Tucson. If we don't like it, we're gonna stop in Tucson. If we like it, we'll keep going to Benson, Arizona. If we don't like it past that, we're gonna stop in Benson. If we like it, we're gonna go to Cochise. And probably not Lordsburg. Cochise is probably our last option, and we might not even get there, so that's the plan. All right, we're here in Benson, Arizona. This is what's going on right behind me. Look at that. That is a huge thunderstorm. There's already like lightning. We were supposed to head straight that way, but we didn't. Thank goodness. Yeah, so we were basically supposed to fly that way, huh? This is why we made the decision to stop here in Benson, is because of that thing right there. We would have been right in the middle of it if we kept going. And there are storms all around us. So that's why we're stopping in Benson today for the night, right? The storms have passed. It feels good outside right now. Oh, here in Benson, Arizona. Had a little sit down with dinner, went for a walk, talked about our potential flight plan for tomorrow. We're gonna get up before dawn. We're gonna be at the airport before sunrise, and we are gonna be trying to leave at first light. First stop we are thinking is going to be Carlsbad. I think that's in New Mexico. Probably a stop after that in Abilene, unless we can make it all the way back to Caddo Mills. Not quite sure if I'm gonna keep doing my flight training at Caddo Mills anymore. Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna have to talk with Brittany about it and see what she thinks I ought to do. The guy that's flying with me thinks that I should probably find somebody else just because of the bad luck I've had so far. And you know, they're already trying to put me with somebody else who is going to be a brand new CFI. I like that guy, I know who he is, but I'll be his first student and I don't know about that, so we'll see. It is absolutely still and quiet out here, and we're gonna try to be out of here by 6:30 on our way to Carlsbad. King Air is about to take off. Just landed at Carlsbad City Airport. Gonna grab some gas and keep heading back to Dallas. We are not staying here for very long. Last stop before we make it back. Last stop. Sweet place. Man, you could come in here and have a little conference. We're almost finished. We just gassed up for the last time. We're going, our proposed flight is from Eastland, waypoint to Cleburne, Cleburne to Lancaster, Lancaster to Caddo Mills. We'll probably be cutting right through the southeast edge of the Class Bravo around DFW. The cloud bases are kind of low right now, so we probably will be under the Bravo. That's the plan right now. It's almost 5 p.m. right now, Central Time. I was supposed to be home yesterday, first of all. And then today I was hoping to be home for a dinner party that I'm having at my home this evening. It starts at 6 p.m. I ain't making it. I might not even get back in time if I get an Uber right away by the time we make it to Caddo. So, but I guess those are the breaks. So here we go, last leg.
Check, check. Alright, hear you loud and clear. Okay, ready for taxi. Seat belts, heat, vent, defrost, avionics are on. Eastland Municipal Airport. Weather. Automatic weather observation. 2204 Zulu. Weather. Wind 070 at 5. Visibility 104,000. Go this way? Yeah, this is 35, right? Because there's no other way to get over where we want to go. Turn indicator, heading indicator, attitude indicator is up. Alright, so controls are free, fuel's on the proper tank, electric fuel pump on, carb heat is off, flaps set how we want, engine gauges checked, doors latched. Ready? Yep, I'm ready. Okay. Alright, on both, fuel pump on, then you just get that on just as a matter of habit. Doors are locked. Approach is clear. Go to make your call and then make sure forward. Eastland 26 Juliet, departing runway 35 Eastland. Alright, engine gauges are in green, oil temp is good, oil pressure is good, fuel pressure is good. The RPMs are decent. Alright. Okay, looks good to me. And we're at 60. Oh, nicely done. And push in just a little bit there. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So hold at 70. And we're at VX right now. Whoa. Yeah. So the wind is that's why you want to kind of keep the nose low, just in case the wind drops out from under you. You don't want to stall about 40 feet over the runway, right? Okay. So that's why.
Finally did it, man.
Dude, thank you very much.
Yeah, of course.
I really appreciate this.
Yeah, of
man.
course.
Freaking amazing trip. Got here just in time for sunset at Caddo Mills Airport. What a journey. I mean, that's crazy. This is absolute crazy. I think I'm too pooped and too excited and waiting on my Uber so that I can get home and eat and maybe see some of my friends. I don't know, it's already 8. Maybe they'll still be there when I get home, but freaking amazing. Hopefully there's some leftover lasagna for me. I know I don't really need any. Just a little bit. I'll debrief another time because this was amazing. I'm just kind of surprised that they didn't have boo to say about what happened. I understand. that happens. However, with all that I've been through with this flight school, that was really just kind of like the last straw. I'm just gonna go find another flight school.